Hey guys, so today I wanted to film a little cleaning vlog. I have a ton of things to do today that I'm hoping to get done pretty quickly. I did some laundry earlier, so I need to fold my clothes. I actually left them downstairs, so I need to get that. I also want to put another load. This is like all the stuff from like the last cleaning video that I didn't, you know, get to wash. So I want to finish washing those. But since then, my room has gotten messy. To me, it's not that bad. I mean, you guys have seen my room way worse than this. So I want to kind of like get it under control before it reaches that point to where it's like super crazy. I have to start my wedding registry, so I'm gonna do that while my laundry is in the wash. So yeah, I have a ton of little things to do today. I actually changed my mind. I think I'm just gonna pick up all of the new dirty clothes that I have on the floor so that I could properly separate them before going downstairs. I just feel like I shouldn't go downstairs empty-handed. I should go down with a new load and then fold that load. And once that's folded, I'm gonna fold this load and then, yeah. I've picked up all of my laundry from the floor. I still have things on the floor that I do need to put away, but that's just something I'm going to worry about later. Okay, so we're gonna do whites. I always separate my whites into cold whites and warm whites because something like this cannot be washed in hot water. This pile's for hot whites and this pile is for cold whites.
Dream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for, possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin?
So I have laundry inside the washer and the dryer. So before I move on to kind of clearing up all the like stuff off my floor, I thought I'd take a little break and work on my wedding registry. My bridal shower is coming up in a few months, so I really need to start working on it. So I'm going to be using Zola for my wedding registry. Zola is a website that has been helping me with my wedding planning journey. They have everything you need in order to plan a wedding. They let you choose your invites, find vendors, and also register for your bridal shower, which is what I'm doing today. I really like the fact that Zola allows you to add gifts from other stores and sync your registry with existing registries, because that just makes everything easier for me. They also have a checklist that allows you to kind of stay on track. So if you feel like, you know, you've never done this before like me, a checklist is super helpful because you know that you will not miss anything. I think I'm gonna add a cash fund to my registry, probably a honeymoon cash fund, because who doesn't want their honeymoon paid for? I saw that they have the lowest cash fund fees, so that is a win-win for both of us. So I'm going to add my honeymoon for my cash fund. So hopefully people add to that. So I'm gonna FaceTime my fiance and we're gonna kind of go through this together and pick out some stuff, and then I'll show you guys what I picked out. This is everything that I picked out so far. It's definitely nowhere near done, but I'm actually really happy with everything. I also want to mention that once you're done, Zola helps track your gifts and your thank you notes, so you're able to focus on your wedding planning journey instead of just stressing out over like forgetting to send like your aunt like her thank you card. So if you're currently planning a wedding, I definitely recommend checking out Zola. Focus on just enjoying your wedding process rather than worrying about like the little things that you just keep forgetting to do. It's been super helpful for me, and I know it will definitely be helpful for you. So I will leave the link to their website in the description box. I'm gonna go put another load inside the washer, and then I'm gonna start with cleaning up my floor.
Just be. Don't take it. Take it. Just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah.
Okay, so this is how the rest of my room is looking like. I don't have too much on the floor, so this shouldn't take me that long. Counters aren't that bad either. I feel like if I set a 10-minute timer for each section, I should be able to finish everything in about 30 to 35 minutes. So I'm gonna start with this section over here because that's the easiest to put away. And then I'm gonna move clockwise until I get to my makeup table.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it all, cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like.
If you like these types of videos and want to see more, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.